Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Instagram messages not sending. So open up Instagram, and when you go to your messages, if you have any messages sitting on pending, or it says message not sent, or internal network error, the first things you always want to do is check out your mobile network settings. So if it's from your mobile data or from Wi-Fi, make sure that you have proper Wi-Fi and network connections established to both, so that you know that you actually can send messages. Just try this by trying to put a video clip on or browsing the Chrome browser, etc. But if this doesn't work, try the following. Go to your settings, go to account, and mobile data usage, remove the data saver because sometimes that limits everything. Then let's get back. And if it's still not working, go to your device's settings, go to the app settings, right, like from here. Oops, sorry, I clicked back by mistake. Find the apps and find Instagram. Give it a force stop so we can restart it. And also, where it says data usage, make sure that all of these are turned on, that you aren't forbidding Instagram using your mobile, Wi-Fi, background, or roaming data. Make sure that all of these are turned on, then check again. And this should pretty much fix the problem. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.